Cool mist drifts along the hallway floor. Soft echoes linger like they've been here before. Gentle dark. Like you're still near. Stay a while, even if it's only trade. Two sparks passing in the same space.